You might have never looked at this hidden market. In this video, I'll show you how to analyze team win to Nill YES so you can build your bankroll step by step. So obviously be focusing on the Italian Serie A, and we'll be making an example using the following teams, which are Inter Milan vs Torino. So guys, checking the last 5 matches, right? 123, 10, 21, we can see that our market did work. Our market did work, guys. Our market did work. So the market of which we'll basically be focusing on today is the team to win to Nill, and we'll be saying Inter Milan to win to Nill, which means Torino should not score a goal and Inter Milan should win. And sometimes it has more odds, around 2 odds depending on which team you're betting or which option you're taking. You could also take the no, Inter Milan to win but not to Nill, but we'll be covering that on the next video. So right now focusing on the yes. So here you can see that Inter Milan did win 3 mil. So our market did work here. In this match, our market did work. Moving on the next match on 24th or 28, we can all see that our market did work. Inter Milan did win to Nill. Inter Milan did beat Torino 2-0. Inter Milan did win. So guys, if you can see here, you might also want to take the market of match results. As you know, the match result, guys, the match result, you could pick, let me say, Inter Milan to win. Let's say Inter Milan to win the match, because here you can see that Torino lost the last 2 matches, so Inter Milan might win. Inter Milan might win. So going to the next match, we're here in the next match on 24-10-5. We can see that our market did not work in this match. Our market did not work. Torino did score 2 goals while Inter Milan did score 3 goals. So our market did not work here, guys. Can you see that? Our market did not work. Seems like this market is started to not work, but let's not lose hope, guys. You should not lose hope. You should stay consistent in what you're doing, because on the knows, one day you might win. One day you might win. Days are not the same. The days are not always the same, but Inter Milan did win. Because I was talking about the match results. You could also say Inter Milan to win the match, then you could also win a bet. And if you check, Inter Milan has been doing the over 1.5. Like, if you check the first match, of 1.5 did apply. Second, over 1.5 did apply. Third, over 1.5 did apply. So you could read a bet. You could maybe say Inter Milan and over 1.5. You know, Romila and over. That's possible here. That's possible. So being on the second last match on 25-05-11, we can see that our market did work in this match. Like, our market did really work. Because you can see that Inter Milan did score 2 goals while Torino did not score any goal. So here you can see that the Inter Milan win to Nill did work here. Inter Milan win to Nill, yes, did work. So yeah, it seems like this market is working, guys. It's working, you know. And what I like about this market, it has many odds sometimes, depending on which team you're betting and also which option you're taking while betting. So moving on the last match, guys. Last match on 25-08-25, we can see that Inter Milan did win 5-0, and our market did work in that match. Our market did work because you can all see the Torino scored main goal. Torino didn't score any goal, and Inter Milan did score 5 goals around the match. So here You can see that Inter Milan did win and our market did work, guys. That's good, you know. It's good, guys. Inter Milan did win and our market did work. Our market did work in a very positive way. So yeah, guys, as you're analyzing, right, we can all see that our market did work 4 times in a row. 4 times in the last 5 matches, or maybe did work 4 times, you know. And that's good, guys. So yeah, as I always say, and I'm still gonna say in this video, you should always check the last 5 matches of the both teams. The last 5 matches of Inter Milan and last 5 matches of Torino, to check how the teams are performing, and could also check the standing, whether like the table, you know, is Inter Milan number 1, number 5 for Torino's number 15, somewhere there, you know. Things like that, you should always check them when you're analyzing. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.